In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple sources at once in NotebookLM. If you're gathering research or prepping a project and want to bring in several web pages quickly, this workflow will save you a lot of time and clicks. Start by opening your NotebookLM notebook. Make sure you're in the specific notebook where you want these sources to live, so everything stays organized from the beginning. A stable internet connection helps here because we'll be importing several pages at once. Next, look for the option to add new material to your notebook and click the button labeled Plus Add Source. This is your starting point for bringing content into NotebookLM. You'll see a few different ways to add material, but because we're working with links from the web, choose Website URL. This tells NotebookLM you're providing links it should visit and import. You'll now see a URL field. Here's the time-saving part. Instead of adding links one by one, paste multiple web links into this field at once. You can either put each URL on its own line or separate them with spaces. Both formats work, so use whichever is easier for you. Before you add them, it's a good idea to double-check that each link is complete and starts with HTTP or HTTPS, and that you haven't included any stray punctuation at the end. If you're copying from a document or spreadsheet, make sure there aren't extra characters stuck to the links. Also remember that pages behind a sign-in or a paywall may not import as expected. When your list looks good, click Add. NotebookLM will go to each link and import them all as separate sources automatically. You may see a brief progress indicator while it processes everything. The time this takes can vary based on how many links you provided and how large those pages are. If one of the links can't be reached, NotebookLM will usually skip that one while still importing the others, so you don't lose your whole batch. Once the import finishes, you should see each source listed individually in your notebook. This makes it easy to reference, search, and cite them later on. If you want to keep things tidy, consider giving your links a quick look so you can spot any that need attention, like a page that didn't load correctly or a duplicate you pasted by accident. And that's it. By using the website URL option and pasting multiple links at once, you can load up your NotebookLM notebook with sources in one smooth step.